10 celebs who only fly private. Number 1. John Travolta is perhaps the most well-known and accomplished celeb pilot. The actor owns 7 planes, including a Boeing 707, Bombardier Challenger 601, Boeing 727 and 3 Gulfstream jets. Number 2. Oprah, Celine Dion, and Steven Spielberg. These members of entertainment industry royalty each own a Bombardier Global Express XRS, which sells for a cool $42 million. Number 3. Tom Cruise. The G4 is favorite of the private jet crowd, costing $36 million. Number 4. Mark Cuban. Cuban's big Boeing cost him $144.1 million, but that's pocket change for the shark, and it's just one of his planes. Number 5. Tiger Woods. The formerly unstoppable golfer jets from course to course on his Gulfstream G550, which sells for $53.5 million. Number 6. Donald Trump. If the Don is elected president, would Air Force One be a downgrade from his $95.8 million Boeing 757? Number 7. Harrison Ford. The 680 costs $18 million and can hold 12 passengers. Number 8. Jim Carrey. The comedian loves his Gulfstream V, reportedly costing $59 million. Number 9. The President. Air Force One has evolved over the years, but the current one is a Boeing 747-200B with a price tag of $390 million. Number 10. Roman Abramovich. The Russian billionaire and owner the English soccer team, Chelsea FC, has a customized Boeing 767, he calls the Bandit. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel. The story continue.